Place the antenna at several spots all around the manhole about 8 to 10 inches away, with the cable pointing directly at the manhole. Write down the RSRQ number you see in each location and mark the spot where the RSRQ shows the lowest negative number possible. Picking the best spot around the manhole is the key to providing the best signal for years of trouble-free operation. This step isn't necessary for the above-ground antenna, but you can enter the test mode and check the site's signal strength and quality. Following all local and OSHA safety protocols, remove the manhole cover. Use the 3/8 masonry drill bit to drill into the chimney. For the in-ground antenna, start 8 to 10 inches from the outer manhole ring and drill towards the manhole at a 45-degree angle until it enters the inside of the chimney. For an above-ground antenna, find the best access angle from the exposed chimney exterior. Use a circular saw or angle grinder with a masonry blade to cut a groove for the antenna. It must be tangent to the manhole ring, centered with the entry hole, with a depth and width just large enough to embed the antenna below the road surface. This groove should not be any deeper than the largest diameter of the antenna body. You don't want it to stick up over the surface where it can get damaged, but you also want to keep it shallow enough to optimize your signal strength. Enlarge the first inch of the cable feed-through hole in the center of the groove. Brush away any debris and test the groove to make sure it fits properly. For an above-ground antenna, dig a hole around 12 inches from the manhole. Insert the post and refill the hole. Many customers insert rebar or a short cylinder bar through the lower hole to stabilize the post. The SMA antenna cable should rest just above the ground, facing towards the manhole. With a protective cork, feed the SMA cable through the entry hole and reach inside the manhole to retrieve the antenna cable. Seat the in-ground antenna into the groove. Apply sealant on top of the in-ground antenna, completely covering the groove. Flatten the sealant. This sealant will contract slightly as it dries, so leave it protruding slightly higher than the surface. Sprinkle the included drying agent. This protects the sealant until it fully hardens in about 4 hours. For the above-ground antenna, place a small amount of sealant in the entry hole on the outside of the chimney. Thank you for watching this Mission Minute demonstration. Please sign up for our free live weekly webinars to learn more about mission communications at 123mc.com.